Unleash your creativity and transform your digital artwork with the Mixed Media Photoshop Action, the ultimate tool for adding depth, texture, and visual interest to your designs. With its innovative features and easy-to-use interface, the Mixed Media Photoshop Action empowers artists, designers, and photographers to create stunning mixed media artwork with just a few clicks. Mixed Media Effects. The Mixed Media Photoshop Action applies a variety of mixed media effects to your artwork, including paint splatters, textures, and overlays. These effects add depth and dimension to your designs, giving them a unique and artistic look. Customization options. Tailor the mixed media effects to your specific needs with customizable settings that allow you to control every aspect of the action. Adjust parameters such as intensity, blending mode, and layer opacity to achieve the perfect look for your artwork. Easy-to-use interface. The Mixed Media Photoshop Action features an easy-to-use interface that makes adding mixed media effects to your artwork a breeze. With a user-friendly layout and straightforward controls, users of all skill levels can quickly master the action and create professional quality artwork in minutes. Layer compatibility. Seamlessly integrate mixed media effects into your existing Photoshop projects with layer compatibility that ensures compatibility with all Photoshop layers and blending modes. Whether you're adding effects to a digital painting or enhancing a photo composition, the action makes it easy to blend effects with other elements of your artwork. High-quality output. The Mixed Media Photoshop Action delivers high-quality output that is suitable for both digital and print media. With support for high-resolution output and customizable canvas sizes, you can use the action to create artwork for a wide range of projects, including posters, illustrations, and more. Extensive documentation. Get started with the Mixed Media Photoshop Action quickly and easily with comprehensive documentation that provides step-by-step instructions and tips for using the action effectively. Whether you're a seasoned Photoshop user or a beginner, the documentation ensures that you can make the most of the action's features and capabilities. Whether you're creating digital art, designing graphics, or enhancing photographs, the Mixed Media Photoshop Action provides you with the tools you need to take your artwork to the next level. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with the Mixed Media Photoshop Action is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to elevate your digital artwork with stunning mixed media effects? Visit the Mixed Media Photoshop Action page today and discover the power of mixed media with the Mixed Media Photoshop Action.